Assalamu alaikum dear students. This is Haq Nawaz, lecturer in English at APSEC Rahim Yar Khan City Campus. Welcome you all in online support program. Dear students, today we will study Pak Studies chapter number 3, Land and Environment. It is on 52 number page of the textbook. Dear students, after learning this lesson, you people will be able to understand about land and environment of Pakistan, and you people will be able to understand the importance of location of Pakistan. So, going to the lecture. First one, introduction. Dear students, the full name of Pakistan is Islamic Republic of Pakistan. Dear students, Pakistan covers an area of 796,096 square kilometer. It means 7,96,096 square kilometer. Dear students, Pakistan is located in the south of continent of Asia. The eastern and southern part is covered with river plains, whereas western and northern parts consist of high mountain ranges. On the basis of temperature, there are such areas in Pakistan where it remains either hot or cold throughout the year. Dear students, this was the introduction of location of Pakistan and the environment of Pakistan. Now we will discuss location of Pakistan. Dear students, Pakistan is located between 23.1 of and 73 degree north and latitudes 61 degree and 77 degree in east. And India lies in the east of Pakistan, China in the north, while Afghanistan is in the northwest and Iran in the west of Pakistan. As you people know that China, Afghanistan, Iran and India are our neighboring countries. So dear students, where are they located? You people will learn in this slide or in this lecture slide. As we learned that India lies in the east, China north, Afghanistan in northwest and Iran in the west only. Dear students, the Arabian Sea is in the south of Pakistan. Now moving towards the importance of the location of Pakistan, how it is important. Dear students, Pakistan is the key source to establish link between east and the west. It means the eastern countries and western countries, if they have to connect with each other, they have to pass from Pakistan. It means there is only link, that is Pakistan. Like India lies in the east of Pakistan, and Kashmir is the main cause of rivalry between Pakistan and India. Dear students, as you know that India and Pakistan remained opponents to each other from the beginning of emerging of Pakistan. So as India is opponent and Pakistan is also opponent to her, but this rivalry, this opponents has a main issue. That issue is Kashmir issue. So Kashmir is the main cause of rivalry between Pakistan and India. As Afghanistan is situated to the northwest of Pakistan, Pakistan has good links with Afghanistan. The adjoining border with Afghanistan is called Durand Line, It means connects Pakistan and Afghanistan. That line is called Durand Line. In the northwest of Pakistan, there are Central Asian republics. Example: Kazakhstan, Uzbekistan, Tajikistan, Turkmenistan, and Kyrgyzstan. These all are uh, Muslim countries, or Central Asian countries. These are all located away from the ocean. It means they need, if they want to do trade with other countries, so they are away from the ocean. How can they trade? So they own no cost. Therefore, they have to pass through the Pakistan in order to access the ocean. It means to do the trade. If they want to trade, they have to pass from the ocean. So they have no ocean. Because of that, they need Pakistan to pass to the ocean. China is located in the north of Pakistan. Shahar-e-Rasham connects Pakistan with China. China has stood by Pakistan in every hour of trial. Dear students, China is our far friend. China is our friend country. Whenever or wherever Pakistan needs, China comes to help her. Like in these days, CPEC is a main or important link between Pakistan and China. China always helps Pakistan on every cost. So China is our far friend. The Arabian Seas are located in the south of Pakistan. So dears, as we know that most of the trade between east and west is done through the route of the Indian Ocean, and the Arabian Sea is also a part of Indian Ocean. So when all the countries have to link with each other, they have to pass through the ocean or Indian Ocean for trade purpose. Like we have Gwadar Port in Karachi. It's the main hub for the business, international business. Therefore, Pakistan has much significance because of our location. Because of location, Pakistan has very much significance or importance. Pakistan has established relations with many countries through the Arabian Sea route, like Indonesia, Malaysia, and Brazil, etc., and South Asian Muslim countries like Maldives, Nepal, and Sri Lanka. So, dear students, today we have learned the location of Pakistan and the importance of the location of Pakistan. I hope you people have understood this lecture. If you have any query, any problem regarding this lecture, you can contact with me. I'll guide you further if you have any problem, inshallah. Thank you. Jazakallah.